afternoon, guys. We are here today via Zoom meeting. We are conducting an interview for our subject, which is IM314, Shop Supervision and Apprenticeship Training. So today we are conducting an interview. So our interviewee is Miss Angelica M. Sarsaba. And she is a graduate of Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Comtech or Computer Technology. So today we are going to interview her about her journey when she was an intern, or when she undergo with her internship. So, hello Miss Angelica Sarsaba. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for...
Hello, good afternoon.
So, also, Miss Angelica Sarsaba right now is her work. Nag-work siya sa Cebu Pawn Star Pawn Shop, which is located in Santander branch. So, that's why we are ongoing the Zoom meeting because layo ang ato ang interviewee. So today, Miss Angelica Sarsaba, we have a few questions for you regarding for your internship journey when you are intern. So number 1 question is, how does the internship program ensures that its objectives and goals are clearly communicated to both the students and the supervisors?
Okay, thank you for the question, Ma'am Gia. First, thank you for having me, guys, for today. And my answer is the internship program offers a wonderful opportunity. So, the clear conversations are concise and unfiltered. So, our internships year 2022 to 2023 employs a multilateral approach. So, we offer specific program aspects. So, including work feedback, training, and a firm relationship for both students and supervisors. So we also have one-on-one discussion with supervisor orientation workshops and monthly meetings with the entire team, particularly the area manager. So where both sides can ask questions and exchange thoughts and make suggestions.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Angelica, for the answer. Number 2 question is from our group member, Miss Jolian Oviedo.
Angelica, nice to meet you today. I hope you're doing fine and comfortable. By the way, I'm Julian Oviedo, Gia's school friend and also group mate. So here's my question number 2. What structured learning experience has provided to help interns bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application? So, hello, Miss Ju. Structured learning experience. So, internship help bridge the gap between classroom and working reality. So, we provide structured learning experiences, such as team displays, training sessions, and mentorship programs, of course. So they let us interface directly with the hardware and the software. So they give interns the opportunity to apply academic knowledge in real-world circumstances, enhancing their understanding of industry, provide great chances for personal and professional development. Wow, that was so great and very interesting. Thank you for sharing your great experience, Angelica. Good day, and I hope you enjoy. So now let's forward to another interviewer, Miss Flora May Labrador.
Hello, Miss
Angelica. Good afternoon. So here's my question. In what ways does the program incorporate real-world projects, and how is coordination and supervision maintained to ensure students benefit from these experiences? Hello, Miss Flor, right? Yeah, right. Okay, good afternoon, Miss. So for question number 3, there were real-world projects provide valuable practical experiences. Me as an intern, we need sufficient training and access to all of the resources required for the position. So it is critical that we assess our work on a regular basis and receive frequent feedback. It is important that there is a frequent feedback. So it makes sure the internship offers the student valuable learning opportunities. So thank you for your wonderful answer, Miss Angelica. And the next is Miss Judy Ann Lagahit.
Hello, good afternoon, Miss Angelica. Before I proceed the next question, let me introduce myself. I am Judy Ann Lagahit and I am Dia's classmate. So my next question is, how does the program promote skill development in key areas like programming, problem solving, and teamwork during the internship period?
Okay, hello Miss. Oh, you're so beautiful. I like your nose.
Thank you.
And your skin also. Anyway, for question number 4, a skill development. So when I heard about programming, solving, it's so very hard and difficult, you know. So okay, I'll answer your question. Internship can help students improve their skills of course, in a variety of areas, including understanding professional conduct. So adapting to work environments. Communication skills is very important, yeah. And also cooperation, also emotional intelligence, and information acquisition. Creativity, of course, and then the problem solving and entrepreneurship, decision making, and planning.
Okay, so next question. What types of feedback, evaluation process, and post-internship opportunities like job offers of mentorship are offered to help students advance in their careers?
Question number 5, it's all about feedback evaluation. So in my internship journey, we provide weekly feedback in my whole team, including our supervisor and area manager every week. So we provide weekly feedback through performance, reviews, and encourage open communications. So between interns and supervisors. So they offer job opportunity to high-performing interns and maintain a mentorship program to guide our career development. So in my time, I learned a lot of experience connecting people, and also at that time, my internship is very nice as well because I meet people that willing to teach you, willing to help you, or understand the meaning or the real world of internship.
Okay, thank you, Miss Angelica.
Okay, thank you, Miss Angelica. So that was our questions. All mo na to among questions ni mo tanan, Miss Angelica, and then thank you so much for sparing some time for this interview. Miss Angelica, ask lang mi if kanang asa ka nag OGT or nag internship, pag internship journey nimo, where asa ka nga company
nag-OJT sa Lexmark Research Development Corporation. Located in Cebu Business Park near Ayala. So, if okay ninyo guys, mo pa na ko gamay nga story, if yun sana ko siya pagsulod, yun sana ko siya pagkuha ang mga company on that time. So, if una na someone told me nga mauna nag-hire for internship o JT, and then ako ato wala ko kanang kuan ba nga sulod kay lagi gusto magud ang Cebu City. So i-try na pud nako ni fill up ko sa ilahang katong pilapanan nila through online ra na ha, and then ako gi-answeran gamay lang to about myself from mantingali to about personal na jud kaayo. And then pagkaugmaan na someone text me nga mao na ready na ko for interview. So lipay kay ko ako kay naka imagine first company jud na ako nga ako ang iguanan ha i-applyan. Nya hapit na to mga September first week mi ato or ako nga nang-apply. So ako gibuhat lingkuan ko nigo ko sa interview. Nakauban ako interview ang igagaw ni Iya, si Charis Rizal. So kami duwa ato same time, same day, may interview 6 p.m. jud to sa gabi. So akong style ato ha, sa ako lang ni sa ako ang nag-interview sa ako of course magkarakara pa mas jud no sa English labi na okay ra magud mag-English pero kana ganing feeling nimo nga nakuyawan na ka, maglisod na ka gun kay hala. So man ako pagtubag sa tuba ni. Pero go with the flow lang jud mo guys. Moro jud na ako ang ikatambag. And then ang ako ang style ato after sa question sa nag-interview nimo, bali ang ako ang gibuhat. Ako mismo nag-interview na pud niya. So mas nindot di ay nga after sa nag-interview nimo, ikaw mismo mangutana about niya, about sa company, pila na siyang gidugayon, kay ana ang good na time, ana nga basis ba, kay ma-think magud nila nga, ay, kining bata, kining buwana, siyentihang brag, okay ni siya kanang, kaya dyan niyang musulod ani kumpanya ha, kay willing man siya, so mo to, nagbisaya na ko, nangutanan ako nga, sir, if it's okay to you, can I speak Bisaya now? Moto na siya nga, it's okay Angelica, sa before dahil ko niya gi-interview, pwede ra dahil kaayo kung mag-Bisaya og answer. So gipasagdan ra dahil ko niya nga mag-in-English ko, bahalag na wala na nagkadimao. So mao tong gibuhat guys. Ako ana po siyang giputan na, pila na siya katuig sa Lexmark, kung sa iyang mga naagian, kung sa iyang mga trabaho before siya sa Lexmark. O taman-tanan mo pwede ninyo ikaputan na maoro dyan na ang ako ang ikasulti kay wala ba kong nabalo ato guys nga sa ako ang sa iyang pag-interview sa ako mga 50 kabuok tao sa online sa Teams na so naminaw sa ako sa ako ang pagsulod na dito sa opisina diha na ko nakahibalo after 3 months nga 50 day kabuok naminaw sa ako diha na ko ginan sa ako ang mentor nga kanang kabalo ba ka nga nung gipili ka na mo kay tungod ganahan magud minimo kay nangutana ka about sa amo so meaning ganahan jud ka makahibalo kung sa jud ng Lexmark kana ganing willing ka ganahan ka mo try so mao da ito mao dito mo ako ilang gipili kay sa kadaghan ba yang ning apply sa Lexmark plus ra jud kayo nga ako nasulod niya ako pa jud isa ang naara dito, nag-OJT dito sa CTU Argao ako ra isa.
Wow.
Pero kayo mo to. Yeah, dili ba sa ingon nang hambog pero nagpasalamat ra pud ko ato kay kan mo siya opportunity man gud siya nya dili man gani unta ko mo dayon di kanila lagi wala lagi koy kapuy-an nya mahal kaayo nya ako amiga nga igagaw ni Gea si Charis ning tabang sa kuha sa puyo na kay kan raman mi ato silingan raman mi ato og building unya katong time niana pa jud ko sa ko ang ni chat pa jud ko sa ko sa HR ato nga ma'am dili lagi ko mo dayon kay wala koy kwarta ana wala koy ka-allowance sa kong gulingon niana man siya nga okay ra kay na koy allowance so ni go jud ko bahala na ni so mao to guys ending nindot ra jud kaayo kay didto bisan tinuod pag-abot ako didto naka-experience ko wala mao na daay ni ana jud ni honest jud ko sa nag-interview na ko nga dili jud kaayo ko kay balo og hardware dapat kung ay mo interview ninyo honest jud mo nga person dili kay magpakaron inon mga kita maupo ani kay kung wala mo so meaning kamao na mo dili na mo angay tutuan pa kay kamao na mo so dapat honest jud mo nga dili ka kabuluan na and then inyo jud na permi ingnon sa inyong nag-interview ninyo nga willing mo makatbon maura jud na permi jud na ninyo iano ha permi jud na ninyo isulti at the end nga willing to learn ana ra jud kay maura jud na makapagana sa ilaha nga ay kaning bata willing jud ay siya mutulod bisan pag wala ni siya kahibalo kini honest jud ko ato guys nga dili ko pamulog hardware ultimo pag type hinay kay ko nana jud ko nila so mo to pag abot na ako dito na ko nila get train ayusan ko nila og pag-train nya mudra pud kay ilahang pagtagad sa kuha iisip ra ko nila ato nga trabahante na jud dili og GT kay mismo maski mag-uniform ko og GT dili ko tugtan nila kay wala man gud mi uniform nito dili ko tugtan nila mag-uniform og GT kay ang ilang tanong sa kuan nag-work na jud dito so ani ni guys pag matrabaho na jud mo sa real world pag GT na mo dapat pod na jud ng attitude number 1 jud na nilang bantayan ang imuhang batasan nya dapat kung maadto na mo sa kuan ninyo GT-han po kung dapat mutagat yun mo sa bisan kinsa ninyong mahimamat kay mo dyan na pinaka number 1 nga ilang ganahan niya ganahan na sila nga karaganing manangkit jud ka mismo sa imong manager kung asa ka mulakaw bisan pagmana na sila nga okay anytime ra mo mulakaw kay sa kuha magong time kay anytime ra mo mulakaw pwede ra kung katog ayala nana pero kinahanglan inyo jud nang ikon manangkit jud mo sa inyong manager dapat dili mo manangkit sa inyong kauban sa imong ka-team kay dapat adto mo sa head and then kinahanglan dili mo balik kay mo jud na basihan nila na kining bata okay jud ni ang attendance maoro jud na guys I hope happy ra mo and thank you for having me here guys I hope your internship goes well pohon
Thank you so much.
Sorry, akong story, pero I hope na amoy nakatunan a little bit para nasad mo idea po if na ay mag-interview ninyo.
Thank you so much for sharing your story, Miss Angelica, and thank you so much again for sparing some time for this interview. So for our kuan lang gyud subject nga workshop and apprenticeship training. So we are Miss Angelica. I and my group mates, which is I am Gea Mel Ruiz, and my group mates are Julian Obiedo, Judy Ann Lagahid, and Miss Flora May Labrador. So we are group mates. Then thank you so much nimo sa imong paghatag og oras namo bisag sa Zoom lang. Thank you so much, Miss Angelica.
Thank you so
guys.
much, Miss Angelica.
Thank you. See you soonest, ma'am.
Ano may nakatunan gamay?
Yes.
Pohon kung mag-interview ninyo. Be honest lang good, bahala di na mo nagadi okay ra jud na nila kay pasabot ra man na sila.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss. Then, see you soonest, pohon. Unta, magkita na tagbalik. Sige, salamat. Thank you. So, that was the end. Thank you. Bye, Miss.
Thank you.